What's the meaning of Chips Ahoy? Chips Ahoy. Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy! Chips Ahoy! Chips Ahoy is an exclamation commonly used as a slogan for a popular brand of chocolate chip cookies. The phrase means hooray, or cheers, and is often used to express enthusiasm or excitement about something. The brand's mascot is a cartoon sailor who represents adventure, fun, and playfulness. The cookies themselves are crunchy and filled with chocolate chips, making them a delicious snack or dessert option. Overall, Chips Ahoy is a catchy and memorable phrase that has become synonymous with the beloved cookie brand.